a parallel plate capacitor C with plates of unit area. What is unit area? A equal to 1 and unit, that is square unit. 1 square unit is the area of the plate. Separation D is filled with a liquid of dielectric constant K. The liquid part of the dielectric constant K equal to 2. It is given. The level of liquid is D by 3. Initially D by 3. Suppose the liquid level decreases at the constant rate. Liquid level on the direction decrease idea board. Okay. So what is the change in liquid level after t second? Change in liquid level after a t second using formula and speed equal to distance by time. So the distance Vt. So Vt amount of liquid level decreases during the time interval t second. So liquid level, this is change in liquid level, this decreases. At the same time, the separation of air medium, separation of the air medium between in the upper part of the uh, capacitor, upper portion, increases by the same amount V at T, same amount Vt. Okay. Now the upper portion capacitance C1, the lower portion capacitance C2. This is C1, the lower portion C2. And if you look at the polarity, the lower portion's negative, the upper portion positive. Positive, then negative, then positive, negative. Okay, the polarity in alternate portion, continuously the polarity changes. So we can take the capacitance filled with the air C1, the capacitance filled with the liquid no C2. So let us take the capacitance and filled with air is taken as C1, and the capacitance filled with liquid is taken as C2. So the capacitors C1, C2 are in series combination. Capacitor C1, C2 are in series combination. The capacitor C1 and C2 are in and series combination. Now we can find the effective capacitance. Effective capacitance from the formula 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Clear? So here C1 and C2 value should be taken separately. What is C1? Epsilon naught A equal to 1 unit by what is separation? Uh, D initial separation 2D by 3, increase in separation Vt, correct? This is the total separation. After t second, the air medium width increased by Vt, liquid decreased by Vt. So initially on the 2D by 3 part of the capacitor and filled with air mean, this is C1, and C2 dielectric constant K. So K epsilon naught A, initial separation D by 3, and final separation decreases by Vt, decreases by and Vt. So this implies 1 by C is equal to 2D plus Vt 3Vt by epsilon naught 3 epsilon naught. Here A equal to 1 plus C2 1 by C2 D minus 3Vt K equal to 2. So 3 into 2 6 epsilon naught A equal to 1. What the reason? K equal to 2 and A equal to 1. We need a C, capacitance C equal to the reciprocal of this 3 epsilon naught by and 2D plus 3Vt, and we have to take LCM first, then simplify. So 1 by C 1 by 3 or 6 epsilon naught can be taken. 6 epsilon naught, then 4D plus 6Vt plus D minus 3Vt, then 1 by 6 epsilon naught and 4D plus D 5D, 6Vt minus 3Vt 3Vt, and this implies the effective capacitance C equal to 6 epsilon naught divided by 5D plus 3Vt. This is overall capacitance of the given circuit after t second. After t second. Okay. So dear student, what is the actual question? We need to find time constant of the capacitor. Time constant of the capacitor required. Time constant tau. The time constant tau equal to effective capacitance into external resistor, and because the dimension of CR is the same as dimension of time. Dimension of CR or RC equal to dimension of time. So therefore the combination CR is known as time constant of the capacitor circuit. So what now we can write a time constant as a function of t. So time constant as a function of t and tau as a function of t, c equal to 6 epsilon naught into external resistance capital R, so divided by 5d plus 3vt. So this is the final answer. This is known as time constant. In the time constant, 6 constant, epsilon naught constant, R constant, D constant, 3 constant, and B, there is known value, constant speed, but time alone no variable. So time constant has been written as a function of t. So dear student, the question is, a charge plus q is fixed at each of the points x equal to x naught, 3x naught, 5x naught, 7x naught up to infinity on the x-axis, and the charge minus q is fixed at each of the rest of the point even position 2x naught, 4x naught, 6x naught up to infinity, and x naught is given positive. The question is, what is the potential at the point 0, 0 origin due to the entire system of charges? The potential, electrostatic potential or electric potential at the point origin, it is V at O, is sum of, because potential are considered no scalar, not vector, straight algebraic sum enough. Potential due to the position x naught, potential due to the position 2x naught, potential of the charge at the distance 3x naught, the potential due to the charge kept at a distance 4x naught. So the pattern continue. This pattern continue. So we can apply the general formula. In the place of q, and small q can be taken at x naught mean odd position positive, and 2x naught, 4x naught mean negative. So which will be common factor, q by 4 pi epsilon naught can be common factor. Then the first one, 1 by x naught also we can take it later, 1 by x naught. The next one, should be minus 1 by 2x naught plus 1 by 3x naught minus 1 by 4x naught and plus 1 by and 5x naught. So this pattern continue up to infinity, up to infinity. Okay, so this looks like a GP, infinite GP. Once again, we can take x naught from every term, also 1 by x naught, q over 4 pi epsilon naught in the x naught and 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 5, keep going. Very important. And log x, just remember log x, that is ln x. What the expansion of log x? X plus log of 1 plus x. Actually, instead of log x, we can take log of 1 by x, 1 plus x, and x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 and plus x power 5 by 5 is keep going. This is expansion of ln of 1 plus x. If you take x equal to 2 and not x equal to, x equal to 1, take x equal to 1, then we can get ln 2. Ln 2 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, keep going. So 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, this is progression. Actually this is not GP. GP means there should be common ratio. Look at the denominator 2, 3, 4, 5. The denominator like AP, but if we have instead of alternate sign 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, that progression is known as harmonic progression. So because of alternate sign, so it won't be considered no harmonic progression. But we can take harmonic progression with the common difference minus 1. So 1 plus 1 by 1 minus or 1 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 3 and plus 1 by minus 4 means then 2 minus 2 and 3 minus 4 and 5 minus 6. So we cannot say straight away AP. 3 minus of minus 2 and 5. 4 minus of minus 4 minus 3, 7. So this heterogeneous. The difference is not homogeneous, not unique. So this won't come AP or GP. This is special series. A special series known as a logarithmic function. Ln 2 is 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, keep going. Now we can replace the progression by ln 2, and therefore the final answer, the potential, electrostatic potential at origin VO is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught Ex naught. What about the entire progression value? Ln 2. Ln 2. So dear student, this is the final answer.